how to fix Anti-Malware Service Executable high CPU and memory usage on Windows 11. Hello guys, in this video I'll show you two of the best working solutions to fix high CPU and memory usage caused by Anti-Malware Service Executable on Windows 11. These methods are quick and easy. Let's get started. For the first step, press Windows+S on your keyboard. After that, search for Task Scheduler and open it. On this page, expand Task Scheduler library from the left panel. Next, expand the Microsoft folder. Then expand the Windows folder as well. From the list of folders, open the Windows Defender folder. Now double-click on Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. At the top, click on the Conditions tab. Here, enable the option Start the task only if the computer is idle for. Set the time to 10 minutes, then click OK and restart your computer once. For the next step, open Search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted for permission, click Yes. Now run two commands. For the first command, type SFC/scan now. Press Enter and wait until the scan reaches 100%. For the second command, type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Type it exactly as shown on the screen, then press Enter and wait for the process to finish. Once it is completed, restart your device again. Still having problems? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.